again to Gourmet School of Culinary Art together with Chef Henry. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare crispy vegetables like crispy carrots cut into butternut and crispy cauliflower. Let's start.
So I'm not losing anything. These streams will be used in the in puree.
One tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, fresh vegetable oil or olive oil. Then we are going to add, we are going to season with black pepper, salt, one teaspoon of paprika, add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, of course. Guys, this is how we can cook a crispy carrot butternut. So, but you can also eat it raw. You know, simply you cut into butternut and then we eat it with dipping sauce. This is really it's like a French fries. You know, please try to make it at home. I'm sure you will enjoy it. The 1 cup of flour with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon chili pepper and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Then we're gonna put salt,
Turmeric, add 1 cup of milk, and then we mix. As you can see, with all the spices, everything looks great, and some little Worcestershire sauce. And then we mix. Then I cover and keep aside. In the meantime, I'm going to cut cauliflower. Frying batter is really, our frying batter is really nice. And what we are going to do, we are going to combine this cauliflower in this frying batter, and then we mix.
So now the cauliflower is really crispy. Now I'm going to dress it.